Alrighty, guys, here we go. Yeah, I want to shoot Fuel and Firepowers and Illinois Airguns, the Frosty challenge around Christmas time put out there. It's different things you shoot for BB guns or 22. 22 is supposed to be out 50 yards, but I'm shooting 25 yards. I'm just using a Derya TM22 standard. You know, really cheap rifle right there. But it's a pretty good rifle. Okay, I kept going for the money right there. I have a Tasco 3-9 scope on there. You know, I'm not sure what we're going to hit at here. I have 7 rounds of Remington Cyclone loaded up. Then we'll have to swap over to Price and Winchester. So let me pause you here. We'll set you up in spotting scope. Okay, guys, I have no idea where it's going to hit at. What the heck? And still around there. And, we'll see what it's going to do right here. I think that snowflake off to the top left first. Nice. Let's go on down, snowflake down to the bottom, or middle on the left. Okay. That's 2. Maybe I should take sire shots. What do you think? What's going to change as I get to the other ones? Yeah. See, I want to go left a little. And up a little. Try the bottom snowflake on the left. Close. Okay, it's good snowflake on the right, top one. Oh, I'm out. That's why it wasn't too keen. No, I'm not. What the hell's going on here? Dropped one on the ground again. I swear this picnic table eats the damn 22s. I actually got him. They got another one in there? No. No. Okay. If you look underneath my picnic table here, how many I got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10. Okay. You look at what the hell? There's still another one in it. What the heck's going on here? Need to clean this thing up. Hang on a second, guys. I swore I looked at there was no more ammo. There should be 2 rounds here, I think. Okay. Let's go for that middle snowflake. Bottom one. Okay. Now, okay, that's right. This rifle holds up on the last round, you know, off the magazine. So, okay, swapping over to Winchester. How am I doing so far? I got 1, 2, 3. I'm on a roll. See, what do you got to do? Snowflakes, Frosty's buttons, Frosty's eyes. What's the bonus? Oh, up there at the top. Okay, I see it. Yeah, I made a lot of videos today. Basket and sword laying over top of this table. Problem is when you get making a lot of videos right there, you start kind of rushing on them. I got a Gila here randomly laying here. I'm going to throw it in the mix here too. So somewhere in the middle of this magazine of Winchester is a one lone round of a Gila. Okay. Let's go for the eyeballs. I guess there first. Left one. Nothing. Left one. Right one. Ain't doing too good. What the heck? Also, shoot, let me come back to the right. Okay, button at the top. That don't sound too good. There's a big difference there. What the? That's the one scarf. There's the second one. The third one down there. I don't know. Now I'm clicking back over there. What the heck? Okay, second one, the bottom button. Well, yeah, I was close to the bottom one there. Bottom button. Right beside it. Okay, let me go a little bit left. And we'll go for that bonus at the top right there. Oh, I missed it. Let me see if I got any more in here. I'll go ahead and finish putting off in there. Okay, I should have raised up my go up there a little bit. What I score here? Got 1, 2, 3. Beat that. Get a little fuel firepower and Illinois Airguns. Do my trial some of their targets right there. A lot of fun. You know, I get a little more serious about it, but I'm kind of at the end of the day right here. I get out, you know, the good guns and good ammo. But let me know what you think, guys. It's all for fun anyway. We'll talk to you next time.